The requirement for SMT manufacturing of AI server boards are currently increasing heavily. The challenges are even larger and heavier BGAs, extreme connection densities, and highly miniaturized components. The important factor here is not a single technology, but the interaction of all process steps, from component description to component feeding, PCB handling to in-machine inspection, BGA assembly, and also coplanarity testing. Modern SIPLACE placement machines already offer the necessary prerequisites for this and enable stable and reliable production of even highly complex AI server boards. That's also the reason why all leading companies in this industry trust in SIPLACE technologies and processes. You are interested? Have a look at our technical overview, AI server applications.